Hey, hey, hey! Are you ready to change your financial future for the better? I mean, who doesn't want to get richer, wiser, and have a life full of passion and success, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 7 life-changing lessons from none other than the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett himself. And trust me, these aren't just tips about investing. They're lessons that could totally reframe how you think about money and life. Let's go. Okay, hold up. You've been told your whole life that stocks go up and down, right? Well, Buffett says, forget that. Instead of treating stocks like a roller coaster, he says, start thinking of them as real businesses. Businesses that grow, evolve, and create value. When you start buying pieces of businesses, not just numbers on a screen, you'll shift your mindset and your portfolio will thank you. You know what's crazy? Warren Buffett actually hopes his stocks go down after he buys them. Why? Because when prices drop, he gets to buy more. Yup, you heard that right. Patience isn't just about waiting. It's about knowing that over time, your investments are going to rise. It's like waiting for your favorite show to drop all episodes. It's totally worth it in the end. Wait a second. Buffett's not telling us to be geniuses. He actually says you don't need a super high IQ to succeed. It's all about emotional intelligence, good decision making, and sticking to what you know. So don't overthink it. You don't need a PhD, you just need common sense and the right mindset. Sounds easy enough, right? Here's the game changer. Warren Buffett doesn't see stocks as stocks. He sees them as pieces of American business, the real heart of what makes our economy tick. And guess what? He's always had at least 80% of his wealth invested in these businesses. When you think about stocks this way, it's not a gamble. It's ownership in the engine of the economy. Listen up. You don't need a fancy algorithm or super complex charts to make money. Nope. Warren Buffett believes in simplicity. And guess what? He's right. Look for companies with a strong competitive edge, a predictable future, and management you trust. That's it. No need to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple, and you'll be set. Here's something that might make you reevaluate everything. Market crashes are not the end of the world. They're actually opportunities. Buffett loves when prices go down, because that means he can buy more of the companies he believes in at a discounted price. So when the market dips, don't panic. It's your chance to load up on the good stuff. Okay, this one is huge. Warren Buffett didn't get where he is today by working alone. Nope, he had a solid partner, Charlie Munger, and countless other smart, driven people around him. Remember, success is a team sport. Find people who bring out the best in you and complement your strengths. The right team can make all the difference. Trust me, you won't get far without good people by your side. Well, there you have it. 7 incredible lessons from Warren Buffett that can seriously change your life. Do you agree with his wisdom? Is there one that made you go, wait, I need to rethink everything? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more life-changing content. Until next time, remember, patience is power. And with the right mindset, your future is looking brighter than ever. See ya.